Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper origami rose. So start off with a square piece of paper and start by folding it in half. Like this. Now you're going to open it up and you're going to fold it in half this way. Crease well. Now you're going to open it up and you'll have a plus sign like this. Now you're going to take this edge and you're going to make it meet this point. And you will crease well. You're going to open it up and you'll have this line. Now you're going to take this edge and do the same. You will crease well. Now once you open it up, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. And you're going to take this little edge and you're going to make it touch the center point, like this. You're going to take this edge and you're also going to make it touch the center point. You're going to take this edge and make it touch the center point. And you're going to take this edge and you will make it touch the center point. So it will look like this, where you can open the flaps like this. Now you're going to make sure all your creases are very well done. And then you're going to take this edge and you're going to make it touch the center. Like this. You'll crease well. You do the same thing with these other 3 parts. Now once again, you will make sure all these creases are very well done. Now you're going to take this edge and you're going to make it touch the center point. Take this edge and make it touch the center point. Do the same with these other 2. Now that you want this to look like a flower, you're going to make this a little curled. So you're going to open it out so it looks more like a flower. You're going to curl it with your finger. Like this. You're going to do it with this one. You're going to take it and you're going to curl it with this one. And with this one. Now that you've done this, you're going to take this petal and you're going to make it go up. Like this also. Basically curl it too. And you'll do this with this one as well. And with this one. And you'll take this one and do the same. And now you'll see there are little flaps left in here. You're just going to curl them with your finger like that. You're going to take it, pick it up, and just, bend it a little bit. Now you just want to make sure all your shape is done well, and then your rose is ready. Now your paper origami roses are ready. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching. Bye!